FPS settings. PC not turning on. Help. Aim like a pro. हम गेमर्स की सर्च हिस्ट्री थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा ही होती है ना? तो चलो देखते हैं व्हाट आर क्वेश्चंस गेमर्स सर्च ऑन द इंटरनेट. हाउ टू ऑप्टिमाइज पीसी फॉर गेमिंग. पीसी का परफॉर्मेंस बूस्ट करना है, ये स्टेप्स फॉलो करो. Clear temp file for smoother performance. Update GPU drivers for better graphics and FPS. Close background apps to free up system resources. Use Intel Application Optimizer to boost FPS and select games. And अगर आप लैपटॉप पे खेल रहे हो तो rookie mistake मत करना. Don't forget to plug in your charger. How to fix OBS black screen on laptop. This is a common issue that every other gamer faces at least once, especially when using a laptop. Here's a quick fix. Go to settings, search graphic settings, add an app में desktop choose करो. Browse में go to see program files OBS Studio bin 64-bit OBS 64. Then in the list of select OBS, go to options. There choose high performance and that should fix it. Third question. Is overclocking harmful for my PC? Not if you do it correctly. Intel's K, KF and HX series processors are specifically designed for performance and made for overclocking, offering you the flexibility to push your system to its limits. With tools like the Intel Extreme Tuning utility, tweaking and fine-tuning your CPU becomes simple and reliable even for beginners. And that's how you can go beyond performance with Intel Core Ultra processors. Next question. Who is the strongest character in Marvel Rivals? All characters are unique and have their pros and cons, but for someone who's just starting out, you can start with Jeff the Shark because he's not only OP but he's so cute. Next question. Best graphic settings in Marvel Rivals for max FPS. Go to the game settings and go to display, turn limit FPS off, set anti-aliasing DLSS, set super resolution mode, performance set super resolution sharpening 100, frame generation off, turn on low latency mode, graphic settings all low except model detail, that you can set to medium or high. Also make sure you don't make the rookie mistake of playing the game on borderless windowed instead of full screen, and you'll get the best performance in Marvel Rivals. Next question. What's the best setup for streaming? वैसे तो there's no best setup as such, but if you want the maximum performance, go for the latest Intel Core Ultra 9 desktop processor. But depending on what you're streaming, Ultra 7 can also give you the required performance. Second last question. Which is the better, Intel Core 14th Gen or Intel Core Ultra? Well, there is no clear better, but अगर details में जाए तो for maximum gaming performance, go for Intel Core 14th Gen i9 processors. They are optimized to deliver ultimate gaming experience for gaming enthusiasts. For gaming, streaming and AI workloads, Intel Core Ultra processors are the way to go. These processors not only handle creative apps and multitasking efficiently, but also offers balanced performance with power efficiency. Also, they have the latest NPU that helps with performing all AI tasks efficiently. Last question. How to not get tilted while gaming? Oh no! Uninstall the game. No. Just kidding. Play with people who have the same objective as you. अगर आप जीतने के लिए खेलोगे, वो भी ऐसे दोस्तों के साथ जो मजे के लिए खेलते हैं, तो फिर टिल्ट होना तो है ही.
भाई क्लियर कट DPS देता भाई वो. मैं MVP होती थी भाई, कितना डैमेज ब्लॉक डैमेज दिया, हीलिंग दिया, सब दिया ये मेरी टीम. वो तो पहले.
और अगर फिर भी नहीं हो रहा टिल्ट हैंडल तो कल आना. टेक अ ब्रेक. I mean होता है कभी कभी. Sometimes your opponents are just having a really good day. So these were some of the questions gamers like you and me search on the internet. क्या आपने इनमें से कोई भी questions कभी search किया है? कमेंट करके बताओ. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय.